Okay, today we are doing 705 Extreme Jumps 2. Number 2, not 1. Dos, not uno. Okay. Later, I'm going to do my X body spray jump. Actually spraying it. And later, our camera person is going to do a backflip off of this one, like this. He's going to swing.
She.
Flip over like this. Please.
She.
Okay. So right now, I'm going to do my X jump. Okay? Do not shut the camera off.
What level is this?
Well, I'm just doing it randomly. It's hard. Well, yeah, it's hard. And I'm going to do my X jump. So I'm getting ready. And I'm going to spray it. If it doesn't work, I'm going to do it again. I did it. Okay. Give me the cap and my thing. Let me see the camera. Okay. I just did it with my X. No. Take it out of my right pocket. The other one. Okay, now, okay, Emily is coming down. She's gonna do,
Okay, it's good.
It is? You sure? What? 3 minutes? Oh, we have 3 minutes. Are you sure? Okay. Here it is. There she is.
Move it back. Move the thing back.
Oh, I can't do that. Yes, you can.
Okay, I'll grab
Where? No, you won't. Come on, you help me.
Pick it up.
Okay, that's good, right?
I just got stuck.
Is that good?
Move back one more.
Come on.
Let go. I need to pick it up first. Okay.
And you can see that we filled it up even more. Oh, wait.
Wait, what do you mean?
Come on.
Next button's in the camera.
No, not. Oh, yeah. Whatever. Come on. Whatever, I'll do it. Is that good?
Yeah.
It is. Okay. Come on, it's been 4 minutes. Yummy. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Wait, don't do it yet.
You said you next.
Why, you doing it twice?
If you want me to.
Just do it. Woohoo! Now do it again. Side view. Okay, I'm running up here. Okay, you ready? You almost ready?
Yep.
You saw my ex, and you saw her flip. So now we're going to leave. So bye. Do you want to say goodbye to the people? Say bye-bye. Whatever. Our cameraman doesn't speak. Okay, so.
Bye!
Okay, bye, people.